The entertainment and information platforms have become the window through which millions of people peer into a new reality. They have, transformed entertainment. Spain has all the necessary administrative and tax incentive, as well as all the possible landscape and backdrops to receive new projects and create new narratives. We aim to become, as we have been named in some media, and if you allow the comparison, the Hollywood of Europe. Numerous providers of cross-border TV channels established in the UK before Brexit have now moved their operations to Spain. Among them, our hosts today, NBC Universal, Sony, Disney, just to name a few.